Meghalaya Minister Jem Sangma Karbi Anglong ng Kihumri. Bukulia Police Station kapalo po ng kang Silveta Long Ihum Ultrabus Cheparlepi. Nirip apar daigromalong bang hinyaw supya pan apran karmodet aputhak APHLC atumpen tharna kang nipo.
Aprang si birda kilang arado anapan kardong pajirdo kardong non karbilong re birta long pen ujang terangpi non birta ang ton pen arjupang sena.
Pinichi tini pli arnigang sampor phai ke thompen dipuka sapa thua hemalong Meghalaya Power Minister Jem Sangma Karbi Anglong ng Kihumri. National People Party mati NPP Karbi Anglong along klembang tubang phetum ka sapa thua klam conference hola long chingki chethana mai ke padupo. Labang so mai ke padupo na puthak Meghalaya Minister Jem Sangma pen pherang kya tumapan kapachini ponki non ke wangji Karbi Anglong MEC kidiga hot koson pensi NPP atum kachepa hai dun pen Karbi Anglong Chamas Council aja kong kachepa long dun thekji mapan bidisori kachethan pon. Lapen Meghalaya pen Assam aduya hoy alam kiki Central go katum sila su aputhak chingwai ponang jiputa thanpon. Meghalaya pen Assam aduya hoy map lang pamisi sai claim ponang puputa thanpon thu. La somaya long Karbi Anglong NPP candidate Raju Teron, Chomang Teron, Rajen Timon, David Rengma lapen MPP asong along kachipa og dunabang thutum chitonga.
Thank the members of the press for having come today for this press conference, and I would like to inform all of you that the purpose of my visit here today was to have a meeting of all our leaders from Karbi Anglong, and especially take a review of the previous election wherein we put in 4 candidates, namely Mr. Welcome Teron, Mr. Chomang Teron, Mr. Rajan Timon, and Mr. David Rengma, who were the NPP candidates in the last election. I've had a very good discussion with them. Of course, the NPP did not fare so well in the elections, but yet, considering the fact that the NPP entered the field very late. There was only about 3 months left to the elections when our candidates finally took to the field. Considering all that, I believe that the NPP has been able to do fairly well, and has been able to, because of the hard work put in by our candidates and by all our leaders of the NPP, for each of whom I'm very thankful to. We have been able to, as a party, spread the name of the NPP across the Karbi Anglong, and we are very optimistic and positive that although this is a very slow start for us, but with the kind of dedication of our leaders, the NPP has a very big scope of growth here in Karbi Anglong, and we will continue to work to organize the party. So this is a very natural thing to be happening. There will be a lot of rumors, and these will keep flying around. People will speculate. People will come up with wrong assumptions. But I think what I would like to appeal to everyone is to have patience. They have waited for so long. This process is going to be a consultative process. We will be engaging with all stakeholders, and only after all stakeholders are taken into consideration, we've gone into records, we've gone into all the documents which are available. Only then will we be able to sit down and take a decision as to how things will shape up in terms of the final map that will be drawn. So I think that let us not encourage such kind of speculations. Let us not give credence to any such kind of talk. Let the process carry on. And since this is a consultative process wherein everyone is being consulted and everyone's views are being sought, I think that we must have faith in this process.
So just Meghalaya and Karbi Anglong or Assam, that border issues mainly. Recently, both the chief ministers of Assam and Meghalaya have been in a meeting, and they have discussing about give and take policies. After this word have been come out, that the give and take policy has been come out, some effect have been seen in the border issues between Karbi Anglong and the Meghalaya. So what do you say about this one?
The border issue is something which has been going on for a very, very long time.
Yeah.
Many governments, many political parties have come forward and said that they will resolve this issue. Many have tried to set up committees, but nothing has happened. Today we are of the firm belief that the longer this issue keeps continuing, the more harmful it becomes and the more irreversible the problem becomes. So we are of the opinion that dialogue must begin. There has to be mutual respect for each other. We have to start the process on a very, very earnest note. And I believe that today the government of Assam and our government of Meghalaya, we are very, very sincere in our approach to this problem. We are very sincere in wanting to see resolution of this very, very long pending issue that has been there. And the earlier we solve it, the better. That is our thought. When it comes to give and take, I think that first and foremost, there has to be mutual respect and trust. And that is what we are trying to build right now. And we can always be cynical about this whole issue and say that, this is a problem which cannot be solved. But we believe in being optimistic and positive. And that is why we have taken up this issue. And despite all the criticism that we may face, I think that the intention with which both the governments are moving forward are very good and are very genuine. And we hope that one day we will be able to, both these governments coming together with mutual respect and with trust and with faith, we will be able to resolve this very soon.
So in the coming election, the regional party, they are going to go for coalition government. I mean, they are trying to, come out together within the regional political party. So in this regard, your party will going for coalition or not?
See, coalition governments, they are political alignments, they are political calculations which happen, and this is something something that is dependent on the situation at hand, right? For now, we as a party, we've always fought elections on our own, and we plan to fight the upcoming elections on our own. People say that we are, we are a partner of NEDA and we are Team B of BJP. Let me clearly, very, very in unequivocal terms, categorically state that we are not a B team. We have our own ideologies, we have our own identity, we have our own leadership, and this is something that is very, very dear to us, and we will be fighting the next election on our own. That is very, very clear. So people have this misconception about BJP and NPP being one and the same. That is, let me be very clear about this. We are not. BJP has its own leadership. We have our own leadership. Our ideology is very different from the ideology of BJP. And this is, I think, a misconception among people.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Chiti ni phai player ni Bukulia Police Station ka paro panangtang Silveta long ihum Ultrabus 09CA 666 volong koma jipen di phonat kedambom ada por pioneer kebra achiti ma por malom chepharle phit ka chepharle pahir kang tangra ga jok inoda bang phu swarlo adimalong amat aprandam juilo Bukulia polis atum pen birta long si adim an palidun lo. Laswa hem kong long along kecethap abang pu akhir kang tangrak aring hu kiso donatum Karbiang long DMC echalong sigilang aphan pon. Birta kiri boma hut anki apran gidam joy abang phia phan pang thek pom thek thelang.
ठीक है उसको ले जाओ फोन गाड़ी ड्राइवर कौन है तो लो जा lagi mantara ko kuno ba
Kedam tang pai pai ni phai inkoraner kebarni kalidang subida hanse pilapen anisa inti pietum lang royalong o kachuri dampen hem chili lider la so jok ahema sorla pen hawarisi arada tumri dunsi bang hinia phanta ki thitang rapum long pon la so puthak chiti ni phai pho arni all party leaders conference atumpen dipuru samsung sing inti amir biri athengno long dharna ingi ponlo APHLC mai phu je ai kathar pen pherang kya thengnu kaninje ponki kalidang subita hanse pilapen anisa inti pietum aphan tang thek thek the tumpen apran armut pondet kalidang subita hanse pia sila ke langroi arai ke tumpen se apran armut pondet lapen kalidang anisa CPI tumri tali langroi ke tumpe ka bang phan ahoga kangsal bibek nang jipusi APHLC tumpen Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma lapen Central Minister Amit Shah tumaphan pinpura lokajir ponko pusi Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner nang Chandra Devach Singha Arideng pinpura lo bajir dampu pusi APHLC mai pu je ai kathar pen pherang kia tumalong phan pachini pon
ni lip along koila mati along lokhiram rong par pu arong anisha han onisha intipi lapen sobita hansepi aphan arta ta arlo sumara tumta ningkan krisivet inoda bangke lap eni bang ningkan sirkep alang litum aphan komatlo ne atum arlo ke do arlo pensi nang eklem arlo tong edu lo ne pine chini datlo sita alang litum kidnap si pithi lot lo lang ke jang pus ka pachet krong yi pusi latum kamatha sita lang ke jang kali athema sobita hanse pia bang la onisa hanse ingti pia bang ke la ke lang along si patu joy lata ka patu lasi ka patu pula te la ke jang kali lo la ke lapen halabang sorni komat ni atum arleng alam si kaningye sita kengkong long lang pu arleng alam arleng kali latum halatum dam lapen osomara tum pan chocolate ke ron dam ji pan bor i pu sipu lamat chocolate chodeng dunde der la osomar tu kat plung lu sita la bang hinia osomara tum bang ke ha aber muchot si do rokom amasi alang litum ke arjudun long leder la halatum bang phat ke latum si kidnap det pusine litum matha anke labang so kidnap a poisa le ka chuhang kali poisa la pu anang pilote netum obu popule ke puta kali lapen ke pithi ta lang roy along kali bang inut abangke lang roy long sike long dam inut bangke long le akang tu yadim sike long lante la ke lang ke jang ta kali lapen extortion kidnap aphanta kali ante nitum matha me lo la ke ilitum tribal atumang bong kapache chok kapache pithi ji aphansi agents provocateurs atum si la ke claim pusi nelitum mathalo athema la puson si Farukri Sirkepra 1988 aning kan pen la puson si tribal atumang bong paje chok paje pithi bom lu la pot si nonta komat ni atum la tribal atumang bong kapache chok kapache pithi ji kapi duk tu muchot ji kapi vir tu muchot ji aphai kapi jum tu muchot ji aphansi ke claim pusi la pen lupa por hilong le det nang po aphansi ke claim pusi ni litum kamatha la si ni litum Amit Shah ake hai aphan Home Minister Government of India Home Minister ke hai aphan nilitum memorandum ke lo pini lo po non la pen DC apan si pidam si alang li si papelo po la pen DC apan ta pipo la pen chief minister apan ta pipo la pen central division commissioner ilitum hill area commissioner talo alang li phanta ni tum pilu la so alam la pen nilitum ka demand ke CBI inquiry dora la kapiti ve ka tuam phan la tuam phan heng det nangi papiti lot nangi kong jugling nangi la tuam phan la tuam phan court along try pe me nangi bisar pe me nangi kusini litum demand lo la pen wrong suge demand lo alang
Pinya berta la ansi kang ton cholo kaduka via phanta kardong